Is your Supercell ID verification code playing hide-and-seek, leaving you locked out of your favorite games? Let's get that code delivered and get you back in the game. First things first, dive into your email's spam or junk folder. Sometimes those verification codes get mistakenly filtered there. Give it a thorough look. Next, double check, triple check, quadruple check that you entered your email address correctly when requesting the verification code. A simple typo can be the culprit. Pay close attention to the domain, like at gmail.com or at yahoo.com. Let's make sure that emails from Supercell are not blocked, so go to your email settings and check the block list. If you are logged into another device, try logging out of all your other devices. This can refresh your connection and help resend the code to your primary email. If you're still stuck, it's time to call in the pros. Head over to the Supercell support page. I've put a link in the description and submit a help request. Explain your situation clearly, and they'll guide you through the next steps. By trying these steps, you'll increase your chances of getting that Supercell ID verification code and get back to conquering your favorite games. Thanks for watching.